Hey guys, what's up? We are back. It's been a long time I didn't do a video, but today I'm really excited to announce this new game I'm creating. You probably already know because you come here from my main channel, Nico the Pro, and also, you just watched a lot of, trailer videos, sneak peeks videos about this game. But today is gonna be actually the grand, video. Today I'm gonna actually show you what has been going on with the game, the most recent updates, how to download it. Well, you already know how to download it. The link is gonna be in the description. It's fairly simple. By the way, this version that I'm playing on right now is not an actual, public version. If you are watching this video as soon as it comes out, this version is still not released, because as you can see we have some new stuff, and I'm gonna get into that in just 1 second, because guys, this is gonna be genuinely amazing, because, okay, I've been nerding really hard on this game, and I've been trying to add more stuff to it, but not more content, okay? I've been trying to add a database, and it has been really hard, but okay, you need to see this. So, let's create a level, okay? A plain old level. Actually, let's do this. Let's go away, let's go back so we can reload the level. Let's do this. Let's make a really simple level, okay? This is gonna be our really simple level. We're gonna put the walls all around the level. And by the way, if you wanna know more info about this game in general, you can just check the link in the description. I did another video on my main channel about actually, the main premise of the game, what we are supposed to do. So as you can see now, we have this little level, okay? We just completed it. We can upload it to our database. The level name is gonna be Simple Level. And my name is gonna be Nico the Pro, or we could say you Nico Dev for this video. So let's do this. We uploaded the level, and now we have to verify it. So we verify it by playing. So as you can see, we played the level, and now we finished, so this means that the level is on our database. Now currently, oh my gosh, it is so glitched. Okay, currently you have no idea of knowing if the level has actually been published or not, but it has, okay? So as you can see, okay, this is why this version is not in development. You cannot see this version because it's really glitchy. So do you see this white that comes right here? These are the buttons, okay? So this is supposed to be a scroll bar, but it glitched, I don't know why. And it's supposed to be a scroll bar with every single level that one created. And each level is a button, you can click it and get a level. Now, I still didn't implement that because I'm not that much of a nerd, okay? It's gonna take a while. I'm gonna be able to implement that, maybe sometime soon. But look at this new update. So we have this question mark block, and if we click it, we're gonna load a random level from our database. Now, there are no, I did a lot of testing, so there are a lot of levels there. So there are not big chances that we actually get to the level that we just published. But let's try and see if we, no, we're not gonna get it. Okay, you know what, we're gonna just head onto our database and try to, find it. Here we go, this is our database, and as you can see, if we go in levels, we have all of our levels. Now we're gonna clean up the database actually and make our level. So we're gonna see what's happening. Okay, we have to clean it up. Anyway, we're gonna go back into our game. We're gonna create a simple level, okay? Just this, so you remember it. We're gonna go on public. We're not gonna even give it a name, okay? We're not gonna even bother. As you can see now, if we go on random, we are gonna play that, because there is only that. And, this works. And if you actually had this version of the game, you could play that level. By the way, incorporating a database was kind of a weird, hard job. It took a while for me, because I found a lot of bugs and a lot of stuff that, didn't let me proceed. So guys, if you ever wanna start creating a database for your game so you can store the data of each person online, of each user, if you want, I could make a tutorial on this. So, leave a like and say it in the comments if you want a tutorial video on this. And maybe a tutorial video even on how I create games and how I created this first test game that I'm doing. Alright, now I'm gonna show you a new epic update that, I'm working on. This is still not a public version, so you're still not gonna be able to see it in the public version. So the main reason why I moved to a database rather than using the share code, so as you can see now, you cannot even use it. It says that you have to publish the level first. So the main reason why I moved from that to an actual database is because I want to store more data. That's right. I want the level to be more alive. I want every single block to have a certain property, every single block to be able to do something. So, like, imagine, like in Minecraft, every single block has a certain JSON, okay, a certain property, and has different properties. So, an example, this block right here may have the property of being blue. It doesn't actually have it, okay, but let's do an example. So now, if I incorporate that, now you can actually go here and then like right click and change the color of this block. And when you press on play, this is gonna be a movable block, but it's not gonna be blue, it's gonna be red or something like that. This is what I want to do in my game. So every single block can have a different property, okay? And the way the database works is that it actually, instead of storing the block as an ID, so it basically says this is the number 3 because it's a movable block. This is the number 0 because it's an air block. It actually stores the block as a group of properties. So this means that it's gonna say what color is the block? Blue. Where is it? Here. And stuff like that. So now this means that I can actually create, like an example, a portal that links to another location. So this portal is gonna have the property of linking to here. And this portal is going to have the property of linking to here. So there is so much more that we can advance and do. I could even create my own kind of redstone in here. Like the redstone that is in Minecraft, I could create it here. So this new thing adds up a lot of possibilities. And I'm so happy, I cannot wait to program this. A new thing that this, new system has is overlapping blocks. So right now, as you can see, if we have a wall and we put a blue block, the wall disappears and the blue block spawns. But with my new system, we can actually do something crazier. Let's pretend that it's something like here, okay? Wait, it's not working. Okay, right here, okay, it's a one-way block. And now, let's actually take the rectangle selection and let's do this. Yeah, thank you so much. And let's put it here. Now, in the normal version of the game, the one you're gonna play, this is not gonna work. But now that I have this new system, look what happens. We press on play. Actually, let's do a different example. Let's put this block right here. Oh my gosh, I'm messing up everything. No. Okay, let's put this block right here. Let's do boom, boom, boom. Okay, nice. Now, the two blocks are overlapped. And as you can see, I'm literally spamming my key, but it's not working. So I have to go from the top. Because right here, this is literally the worst position that I could have ever put the block. But that's okay. Right here, the two blocks are overlapped. So this means now in your levels, you're gonna be able to do trolls. You may say, Nico, why am I able to do trolls now? Well, look at this example, okay? We're gonna do a pretty cool example, okay. This is gonna be, guys, this is the easiest level ever. I'm about to show you the easiest level ever, and this is gonna be really cool. Okay, guys, tell me, is this level beatable by any chance? Do you think this level can be beaten? Respond really suddenly, answer this question. Do you think that the level can be beaten? Okay, if you said yes, then you are wrong. Oh my gosh, why do I place my levels really badly? Luckily, we have this grid that actually shows where I'm supposed to place the level. So, right here. Yes, now it's better. Okay, so do you think this level is beatable? Well, the answer is no. You may say, Nico, this is clearly beatable, but once you do this... Wait, what? Okay, well, you were right. That level was beatable. But don't worry about it. We're gonna twerk it just a bit to make it unbeatable. We're gonna put the blue block under the number block. And now, the level is unbeatable because once we go through, this is gonna be a hole. And we're not gonna be able to get through it. So, this is seriously, this is a lot of potential for trolls. And I know I'm enabling you guys to do a lot of bad stuff like trolls. But you know what? I trust you guys with it. Now, what I really want to know is what happens if I put a random block, and then on top of it, I put like a checkpoint. I don't know what is gonna happen right here. Okay, let's do play. Oh, okay, well I just get stuck. Okay, let's do it again. So yeah, as you can see, I still didn't implement the system for the overlapping, so there is not a really good way to do it. But this version is still being, programmed by me. So it's not really a problem. We're gonna get through this. I'm gonna add more stuff. It's gonna be amazing. Probably there is gonna be another tool for, changing from overlapping mode to cancelling mode. By the way, before ending this video, that was basically a progress update on what is gonna come and happen, I just wanted to show you how the database is structured, because you may be confused about what I said before, that the levels have properties inside them. So as you can see, the database right now is structured by a bunch of levels. Maybe when I will release the new version of the game, there is gonna be like every single player will have their own levels, because every single player will have an account. But as of right now, it's fairly simple. There is just the levels folder, okay? So this is a folder. If we open the folder, we find this mess. You may say, Nico, what is this mess? This is a level, okay? The name of the level is actually the ID of the level. And funny story, if we copy this ID and we go in share and we do boom, nothing happens. Well, I still didn't implement that system, but basically what is supposed to happen is this code is gonna go here. Oh yeah, wait, it works, but it's just a little bit glitchy, like it doesn't reset the level. Okay, let's pretend that it worked. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, if we do this code right here, it's gonna actually load in. Oh my, wait, what? Okay guys, I have no clue what's happening, but you know what? We're not gonna worry about it, okay? It's gonna just load the level, as you can see, right here, and this is the level that was actually in the database. So this ID is gonna be able to recognize, with this ID, we're gonna be able to recognize the level, and copy it. So, this is gonna be amazing. Now, what's inside the level? Well, inside the level, there is a mess. So as you can see, there is the author of the level that, as you can see, we didn't set, because for this level we left it empty, so it's nothing. The name of the level, which is nothing. The level rows and the level columns, because I'm gonna be able, for the next release, I also want the levels to have a custom size, so you guys can decide the size of the level, because 96 by 96 is really huge, and the files may get a little bit large. So if you guys can decide the size of the level, it's gonna be easier. Also, I'm gonna do levels that actually resize. So this means that, for example, this level is not 96 by 96 tiles long, but it's gonna only be like this long. What is that? 2 by 1 long. So, it's gonna be a little bit easier for me, for the database to handle it. So that's why we need these two variables right here. And now, inside here, there is actually the level code. Here, there is the magic. So when we open it, it's gonna lag our, it's gonna lag our everything, because, oh my gosh, this is crazy. And, you're gonna just wait a while, because this is just gonna, okay, finally. So you may see all of these numbers here. You may say, Nico, what are these numbers? I have no clue what this is. So this is actually the level code, okay? This was the ID, the author, and all of that stuff. This is actually the code, like what tells us where every block is and what properties each block have. So basically what this is gonna do is gonna start from here, from the edge, okay? And this is imagine that all of this is just a grid, okay? Actually, let's open up the grid, okay? Every block is a cell in the grid, okay? So every single one of these folders is actually a cell in the grid. So this cell 0 represents this. This 1 represents this. So in each one of these, there is gonna be a block. So if this tile as a block is gonna, say it here. But in my case, there is not a block, so there is only gonna be the position. Now we're gonna try to upload into our database, a level that actually has a block right here, so I can show you what happens. Hello, I don't care. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we have to play it, and now that it's in our database. As you can see, the database is updating. And now, if we open this, there are gonna be 2, and we have to choose between one of the 2. And it's lagging. Yeah, it's lagging a lot because each level has a lot of stuff in it. I'm gonna fix it later. I'm gonna try to make the levels less heavy. But as of right now, we have to wait. And finally, we have all of the combinations. So as you can see, in position 2, there is nothing. In position 1, there is nothing. And now there is in 0. Wait, what? 9,120. Like, why do you even... Okay, I thought it started from left to, from the top left. But, at least this is how I programmed it. But I guess no, it's starting from wherever it wants. You know what? That's fine. Probably it's starting from the other corner. Yeah, probably that's how it is. Oh my gosh, this is such a mess. Okay, but we're gonna find it. Okay, yeah, finally we found it. So now, other than the position, we have also the blocks. And you may say, Nico, why is this plural? Well, because as I said, you can overlap more blocks. In our case, we only have one block. That is the player. And the player has an ID of 1, because naturally the player ID is 1, and a limited step of 0. If we go to the next one, it's gonna be the end block, and if I remember correctly, the end block is an ID of 33? No, 30, oh my gosh, I don't even know my own IDs. Anyways guys, this was it for the update. I hope there are gonna be more in the future, and I'm naturally gonna keep, updating this game. As I said, if you wanna check it out, the download is in the description. I hope you really enjoyed this video, leave a like if you did, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.